There's a kind of courage, traveling through mountains and seas. There's a kind of strength, bearing the weight of the world. There's a kind of vision, spanning the pinnacle of excellence. A relay kind of equipment makers chasing their dream. A brand born from a mastery of our craft and dedicated to serving the nation through industry. XCMG of the world, strength of China. Mission, new era. On the 12th, President Xi Jinping visited XCMG Heavy Machinery Company Limited. With warm enthusiasm, he told the employees, XCMG has a proud history and will embrace an even brighter future. We must now embark on a path from rapid growth to high-quality development. That is why I believe you can achieve even greater success and make new contributions to our nation's 2 centenary goals. Premier Li Qiang remarked, in the construction machinery sector, high-end, intelligent, and green development is the prevailing trend. We must benchmark against the world's leading standards, embrace artificial intelligence, clean energy, and other cutting-edge technologies to drive industrial transformation and upgrading. A thread entrusted, yet it carries 1,000 weights. To build a world-class enterprise with global competitiveness and spearhead the development of a premier construction machinery industry cluster. This is a mandate entrusted to XCMG by the times and the springtime of its reform and innovation. Honor the trust. Advance with gratitude. The company's key performance indicators consistently rank first in China's industry, firmly positioning it in the top echelon of the global market. It is listed among the world's 500 most influential brands, Fortune China 500, and Forbes Top 30 global outbound companies. Among the 21 categories of construction machinery, hoisting machinery and piling machinery remain number 1 in the world. 10 types of main machines are in the top echelon globally. 16 types of main machines remain number 1 in China, and new energy heavy trucks leading the industry. XCMG's journey to the summit begins from its solid foundations toward a boundless future. Transformation, new pattern. True to the beginning, steadfast to the end. Confronting complex domestic and international landscapes, as well as risks and challenges, XCMG has sounded the call to action for its Double 100 action, successfully completing its mixed ownership reform, restructuring, and overall public listing. The mixed ownership reform of XCMG Automotive has been officially signed, setting a record as the largest financing deal in the commercial vehicle sector in the past 5 years. The company is comprehensively implementing the #1 project of intelligent reconstruction, digital transformation, and network connection, breaking new ground, and forging ahead with determination, committed to becoming a benchmark in the reform of state-owned enterprises, venturing into uncharted technological territories. XCMG is seizing the commanding heights of future development, driven by the transformation and upgrading toward high-end, intelligent, green, globalized, and service-oriented development. XCMG proactively identifies change, seeks change, and adapts to change, firmly prioritizing high-quality development. It cultivates new quality productive forces tailored to local conditions, propelling new industrialization to higher levels and into new frontiers. At XCMG, the industrial layout is continuously refined, forming a modern 5+1+1 industrial system covering construction machinery, mining machinery, agricultural machinery, emergency rescue equipment, core components, commercial vehicles, and modern services, which has fostered a number of single champion enterprises in manufacturing and specialized, sophisticated little giant enterprises. At XCMG, a global 1+6+N collaborative R&D system is deployed, Supported by national laboratories for high-end construction machinery, intelligent manufacturing, and other scientific research platforms, attracting global R&D talents. To advance cutting-edge technology and high-end component experimental research. At XCMG, we are developing flagship factories for lean manufacturing. Repeatedly recognized by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology as one of the first batch of excellence-class intelligent factories. Intelligent manufacturing benchmark enterprises, digital pioneers, and 5G factories under the Industrial Internet Pilot Demonstration Program, as well as a digital transformation demonstration enterprise by the State-Owned Assets Supervision and Administration Commission. XCMG has built a solid foundation for scaling the summit of global manufacturing, climbing new vision, shouldering great responsibilities, and leading from the front. The two-step blueprint for reaching the summit is now charted. XCMG presses forward with unstoppable momentum, charting bold courses and seizing the rising tide, driving trade and exports to the world, rooting deeply in local markets, and scaling new heights in high-quality development, forging a brand that stands the test of time and shaping the enduring pillars of a great nation. At XCMG, the 1+4 global operations system is precisely deployed, with a marketing and service network spanning 5 continents, and products delivered to more than 190 countries and regions worldwide. We provide global customers with comprehensive, integrated one-stop services, covering pre-sales, in-sales, after-sales, and finance leasing. From representing Chinese construction machinery in its very first step beyond the nation's borders, to today, when the name XCMG shines in every corner of the globe, our manufacturing excellence bears the medal of Chinese industry. A steel-strong XCMG fleet stands tall in the global manufacturing landscape. Flames through generations, culture forging the soul. The spirit of change, revolution, innovation, and ambition to reach the summit. This spirit of XCMG in the new era has shaped generations of its people. We embody the grand ethos of a promise made, a promise kept. We care deeply for people's well-being, and our love knows no borders. Time and again, we step forward in charitable endeavors and rush to the front lines in major natural disasters. XCMG actively embraces the ESG philosophy, fulfilling our role as a global corporate citizen, advancing social sustainability, and building a beautiful shared home for humanity, leading technology to empower a solid future. XCMG, solid to succeed.